everyone, this is Chilli and welcome back to I Love Thai Food. Today I'm going to make grilled pork spicy salad or Nam Tok Moo. Let's get started. First things first, we need to marinate our pork. Put pork in a large bowl. Add oyster sauce, Maggi sauce, ground coriander, white pepper, and some sugar. Coat the pork with all the ingredients and massage the pork for a few minutes. Put cling film on and leave in the fridge for a few hours. Cut onion to small pieces. With medium heat, we toast the rice. We don't need to put any oil in the pan when we toast the dry rice. Keep moving them around until they are golden. When they are golden, take off the heat and leave them aside. You will crush them in mortar and pestle later when they are cool. Juice the lime. Heat up the griddle pan. When it is very hot, put your pork in. You will hear the sizzling. That's good. With medium heat, grill them 3 to 4 minutes per side until they cook and begin to char. When they are cooked, take them out of the pan and rest them 6 to 8 minutes. Now we start to cut them to very thin and small pieces. Now we will make our spicy salad. Put pork in the big bowl. Then put all the ingredients for spicy salad in. Red onions in. Fish sauce in. Lime juice in. Some water, crushed toast rice, some sugar, chili flakes, and salt. Toss them together. Now add mint and coriander. Toss them together. You can add chili flakes to your taste and mix them together. grilled pork spicy salad is ready to be served. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. Also click the notification bell to never miss a video.